Anastrozole, detailed information. Generic name. Anastrozole. Brand names. Aromatase and various generics. Drug class. Aromatase inhibitor, non-steroidal. What is anastrozole? Anastrozole is a prescription medication used primarily to treat hormone receptor-positive breast cancer in postmenopausal women. It works by reducing estrogen levels in the body, which helps slow or stop the growth of estrogen-dependent cancer cells. Mechanism of action. Anastrozole inhibits the enzyme aromatase, which converts androgens into estrogen in peripheral tissues. By blocking this enzyme, estrogen production is significantly reduced. Estrogen-dependent tumors are deprived of their growth stimulus. Indications/uses. Early breast cancer in postmenopausal women. Advanced or metastatic breast cancer. Adjuvant therapy after surgery. Sometimes used off-label in men, e.g., hormone imbalance, infertility, bodybuilding, medical supervision required. Dosage. Typical dose, 1 mg orally once daily. Can be taken with or without food. Duration depends on treatment plan, often 5 years in breast cancer. Warning: dose adjustment is usually not required for mild liver or kidney impairment. Common side effects. Hot flashes. Joint pain, arthralgia. Muscle pain. Fatigue. Headache. Nausea. Osteoporosis or bone thinning, long-term use. Serious side effects. Increased risk of bone fractures. Elevated cholesterol levels. Liver function abnormalities. Cardiovascular risk, rare. Contraindications. Premenopausal women. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Known hypersensitivity to anastrozole. Drug interactions. Tamoxifen reduces anastrozole effectiveness. Estrogen-containing therapies, oral contraceptives, HRT. Precautions. Bone density monitoring recommended. Use cautiously in patients with osteoporosis. Regular liver function tests advised. Storage. Store at room temperature, 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. Protect from moisture and light. Keep out of reach of children. Pregnancy category. Crossmark contraindicated, can cause fetal harm.